Good morning, students. In previous classes, we discussed about the types of weathering, and we also discussed about the chemical weathering and the physical weathering, and now biological weathering. Now biological weathering. Here the decomposition and the disintegration by the features, living organisms, vegetation, and the human activities. All these are known as the biological weathering. Here the disintegration and the decomposition, and here the factor for the disintegration and decomposing, here the responsible the factor all these living organism, vegetations, and the human, and the rocks start to break its own place. This type of the weathering is known as the biological weathering. This type of the weathering is known as the biological weathering. We can explain this biological weathering by three types due to have the responsible living organism like the termite and the earthworm, and the vegetation and the human activity. First of all, we discuss about the weathering by living organism. Weathering by living organism. Here the many type of the termite and earthworms and many other living organisms start here to break the rocks for their residence. अपने रहने के लिए जो बिल बनाते हैं ना, that is start the breaking of the rocks due here and form here the new surface for us. New surface for there. This type of the weathering, biological weathering known as this type of the weathering known as biological weathering, and here the main factor is by living organism. Living organism. सिंपल वे में जो चूहे, रेट्स हैं, टर्माइट हैं, अर्थवर्म क्या बनाते हैं? बिल बनाते हैं अपने रेजिडेंस के लिए, अपने रहने के लिए. ठीक है, तो क्या करेंगे? हियर व्हाट हैपेंड हियर? हियर स्टार्ट टू क्रैक या ब्रेक द रॉक्स. में बिल बनाएंगे तो ये रॉक्स क्या होगी? लूज दिस रॉक्स एंड स्टार्ट हियर द वेदरिंग इन दिस रॉक्स. दिस इज नॉन या दैट इज कॉल्ड द बायोलॉजिकल वेदरिंग. एंड बायोलॉजिकल वेदरिंग बाय वेजिटेशन. By vegetation also responsible for the biological weathering. Then here the rocks and here different type of the vegetations here, and the roots of this vegetation, roots of this vegetation क्या कर रही है? lose the rocks and start here the weathering known as the biological weathering, and here the responsible is the all type of the vegetations. Next here the by human also responsible for the biological weathering. Human also responsible for the biological weathering by the mining activities of human, and also the formation of the tunnel, formation of the roads. Human also break the rocks its own place. So this type of weathering also include in the biological weathering. So here biological weathering disintegration and the decomposition by the living organism, by the vegetation, by the human activities are known as the biological weathering. Next here effects of weathering. Here the result of the weathering is exploration. Exploration is the result of the weathering. What happened here? These rocks, and here these rocks due to high temperature, here the expansion, then low temperature, here the sink these rocks, and expansion and sink. So what was result here? Here the result here the upper layer of this rocks, here the removal from the upper part, remove from the upper part. This type of the weathering is result of this type of the rocks is result of the weathering, and that is known as the exploration. ठीक है, एक्सप्लोरेशन में हो क्या रहा है कि ऊपर की जो परपट्टी है, परत है वो रॉक्स की, वो क्या हो जाती है? हट जाती है. ठीक है, दैट इज नोन एज एक्सप्लोरेशन. नेक्स्ट हियर द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ वेदरिंग. Here the by here weathering here the destroy the rocks, but here also have the significance for the human and the others. First of all, here the soil formation, then here the weathering, here weathering these rocks, and here the disintegrate and the decompose many here the particles, and these particles are here the soil, new soil, then the fertile soil, and the production is also high. Set responsible for erosion and the mass movement, and here also the responsible for erosion and the mass movement. Weathering is here the responsible for erosion and the mass movement, and here formation of the many type of the topographies. Formation of the many type of the topographies due to weathering, and the mining activities में help कर रही है ना. Weathering is the helpful for the mining activities या human beneficial activities. So here weathering have the significance for the human and living organism here. Clear? And here the one para in the book here about the mass movement. When rocks undergo weathering, some materials are removed through chemical or physical leaching by the underground water. Here they remove the some material, and thereby the concern of remaining valuable materials increases. So here the valuable material also increases without such a weathering taking place. कुछ पार्ट यहाँ पे ऐसा रह जाता है जहाँ पर वेदरिंग नहीं हो रहा है ना, और वहाँ पे कुछ जो पार्ट बचता है, that is the valuable part, or the concentration of the same valuable material may not be sufficient and the economy viable to exploit and process and refine, or this is what is called the enrichment. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Enrichment. Clear? And here today we will discuss about the biological weathering, and here the significance of the weathering.